the worst goddamn 3 hours of my life. Not exactly the ride home I was looking for.
There's the Valkyrie.
Yeah. Sailing right into a death trap. Hook up! Hook up!
Gonna be okay?
Raw Rabbit and MREs. Testing my steel. Son of a bitch! Check! Static! Line!
If you're gonna throw up, aim for the enemies on the ground.
Check! Equipment! Boots on fucking ground, Recker! Boots on fucking ground! Low drop! Stand by! Go! 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 I hate this shit!
Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. I say again, Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. How copy? Over.
You're going for the Valkyrie.
Any station this net. This is Fortress. Does anyone copy? Be ordered. I say again, be ordered.
They're not gonna last long.
We can land on the deck. Aim for the deck.
You okay, Recker?
She's swarming with enemies. Clear it and push through. Use cover with my hand.
Sniper! On the walkway!
Remember when I told you about my village?
Yeah?
I'm just feeling that again.
Come on, Hannah, don't say that.
Right. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Eyes open. Hannah, left. I'll take the corridor. Keep looking.
Clear. No one alive.
Through here.
Drop it, motherfucker! Jesus, Reck. I almost shot you in the face again. You made it back. Tombstone's still alive.
Son of a bitch. We thought you were dead, buddy.
Yeah, man. Damn, after you guys left me,
Where's Jinjie? Is he okay?
you're still around. It's cool. And yes, Jinjie's safe. I'll take you to him.
Sergeant Bukowski, what about the refugees?
Marines, you stay with them. I gotta get Tombstone to medbay.
On your lead, Sergeant.
Watch the corners.
Hey, Pac, what happened to Singapore? How'd you get out alive?
They had me fucked, and I got unfucked. Let's leave it at that.
When'd you get such a potty mouth?
Literally crawling through 1,000 yards of shit with a hole in your stomach will do that.
You ain't getting any closer to hell than that, boy.
You with me, Reck? Synchronized attack. Open the door.
Watch out!
怎么办？我正在攻击。All clear!
Sir, we are on our way. Tombstone is en route.
All right, take it back.
Better late than never, squad. You gotta get him out of here.
Easy. You have been unconscious for several days. You shouldn't even be speaking.
My voice is my weapon. If I am silent, I am nothing.
我让你失望了，对不起。
不慌，你永远是我的后盾。They come for me. Chang's men.
Look, take this. We need to get you out of
I
here.
have put down my guns, Captain. My brothers will not kill me.
Maybe I didn't make myself clear. Your brothers think you're already dead. You're a target, like us. An assignment. Search and destroy.
Then they have to see me. Know that I still breathe. They will forget their mission and lay down their arms. So we let them in and see what happens? Yes.
That was a joke. Irish Recker, cover to the door.
I am serious. If we fight, it is over. I will open the door
I
myself.
can't let you do that. You listen to me. They'll kill you the second they get through. That door's the only thing keeping you alive.
With such an extreme trauma, he shouldn't even be up. This is the concussion talking.
In this room, I am invisible. I am dead already. We all are. If I cannot show my face, if I cannot speak to my brothers without fear, then I have lost. I need to know where I stand. Open the door, Sergeant. 被骗了。如果你用力听，我会告诉你事情。
Don't do it. Don't fucking do it.
今天活了，把枪放下。Stand down。健健活了，我们要告诉其他人，健健活了。哎，这是野火。对，健健活了，还在地船上面。是真的，健健活了，健健活了。Son of a bitch did it.
What now? There's still a lot of Chinese soldiers out there.
They know it's him. They'll get the word.
是张的命令。我们在里面赶个船，在桥旁边。
It's Chang. They have a warship north of us.
That son of a bitch, he's gonna bury the troops and everyone with it. Can we strike it? We got nothing left.
Not even C4?
No shortage of C4, but what the hell are we gonna do with that?
Give me a rib and all the goddamn C4 you got left.
Can't be serious, Irish.
We are. Absolutely, sir.
All right, Pack. Show him.
Recker, Irish, come with me. Hannah, are you sure about this?
之前，你身体健康。
Godspeed.
Listen up. I want a rig loaded with C4, hooked up and ready to go now. Hurry it up. We're on our way. That was amazing. Is he always like that?
On his good days.
You sure you're not married to him?
I'm married to what he stands for.
Hey, Hannah. Ever wish things could be different?
Sure, of course I do. Until they are, gotta keep fighting.
You all right with me, Hannah?
This is for you, Sergeant.
You're not coming back?
You're staying alive. That's an order.
We'll live. You keep the Valkyrie afloat till we get back.
Hoorah!
Motherfucker! Motherfucker! Another better fucking idea! What the fuck is wrong with us, Hannah? Tombstone, come on, this is it! It's not fucking dead! Do or die!
Do or fucking die! You okay?
We're in their blind spot. Get ready.
Secure.
Irish. Don't worry. They're pretty secure.
You're right.
They're made in Sweden.
Oh, that feels so much better. position and ready to blow shit up. What's your status? Over.
We're almost done for, so send it to hell.
Hannah, hit the switch.
Red! Something's wrong! There's no connection! Recker!
Fuck, give it to me. We gotta go back down.
Okay, well, only one of us needs to go. Recker, do you have another one of those C4 charges? Good, give it to me.
You are not risking your life, Hannah. I'm Irish, remember? The lucky one. Give it to me, Recker.
Recker, I risk my life for my country every day. Give me the charge.
Your country needs you alive, Hannah. You are not going down, period. Come on, Recker.
Recker, when the detonator goes green, you push the button!
Hannah! Motherfuckers!
It's set! Push the button, Recker!
You're gonna kill her!
God damn it! Tombstone! Blow that shit now! Now!
Her life, Recker. She gave her life for every fucking thing she believed in.
Fortress, this is Bloodhound. Tombstone's on board. We're bringing them back. All accounted for. One of them is missing in action, sir. Nothing we can do. We have to pull out immediately. Shit. Understood. Get my Marines back home.